Oof. Oof. Hey guys, it's Aaron the Baron here, and I'm going to be installing Rokblok Mudflaps on my MK6 Golf R. So let's get to it. Also, you like my new mod? Weight reduction. I'm taking the paint off for extra weight. I'm gonna try to patch it up here someday. Okay, so first we're starting on the front panel, and we're going to be removing the two factory screws here in the fender liner. And actually, to make it easier on myself, I actually turned my wheel the other way so I can get a regular screwdriver in here, because the new hardware changes from a hex key screw to just a Phillips, so it'll be a lot easier just to get them in with a screwdriver or even a drill if you have it. So yeah, to do the front, this is all you need. So I got the Mudflap here, really freaking awesome. I got the orange with the white accent because my theme is kind of the orange-white color. We have the hex for taking the old screws off, so we're actually done with that guy. I have a Phillips. I got a little mini ratchet. I'm not actually going to need that. And then this is all the hardware you need. So literally 3 screws, 3 washers, and a couple of the clip pieces. Separates them front and back, so this is going to be for the other side. Really super easy. So you literally just replace 2 of them in those original 2 holes with a couple of washers, and then you're going to use the other attachments for a little bit further in, where this will match up. So we'll show you here in a sec. Alright, so what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to make sure, because it does have a little bit of play in it, I'm going to make sure that from the back it's all nice and straightened, and then I'm going to go ahead and put both of these guys in tight before I work on doing this third one, that way it doesn't shift around. Alright, so for this part I don't really know how this is going to work, and the washer is definitely not big enough to close that gap. There might be a difference in body models, but we're going to try it out real quick, and just if I don't think it's going to work, I'm just going to run with these 2, because honestly it's super stiff with just these 2. But yeah, so I'm definitely not going to do that. That's like an inch back here, and those don't equal an inch at all. And it's going to end up probably ruining these ones, which are factory holes, and I would really like to keep those. Like I said, this thing is ridiculously stiff, so I'm not worried about it at all. Worst case, I'll keep the screw and I can drill in a third one here or down here or something later, but for now it's fine. The top tier, finest on the market. So the rear is probably going to be more difficult. Recommends taking the wheel off, but says it's easy, you can do it without having to do it, just jack the car up, which I did. Problem is my jack doesn't go up high enough, so a piece of crap. To be able to take the wheel off, it's still sitting on the ground, it's just raised up, so we're gonna try it with the wheel on.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so here's where it all started to go wrong. Sorry, it's 100 degrees and like 50% humidity today, so the 2 right there, and there, those have to come out, right? Okay, easy enough. There is plastic behind this, like, I don't know what you would even call this, like a weird polyester or something that you screw into. Well, the screw holes were stripped both conveniently on the other side, so I had to move the brackets up. Now, because they won't match, I have to do the same on this side. So yippee. So that's we're having to fab it a little bit. So yeah, now of course on this side I have 2 fully functional places to mount the Mudflaps, and I can't use them because now I gotta move up so that it matches the other side. So pretty lit. Alright, so I used the couple of extra that we had of these clips from the front. Turns out we were able to actually make use of them back here. So next one's going in here. Okay, cool. So I got all 3 in. It's nice and sturdy. and we're gonna go ahead and throw the wheel back on. We'll lower the car, I'll clean up a little bit, and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm stoked. I haven't had these since, well, actually all of my other all-wheel drive cars have had these, but I've been wanting some for this car for about 9 months, so finally got around to doing it. So I'm hyped. We're gonna see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. I'm all done, and this looks fire. Freaking badass. It looks so sick. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.